Good evening all. Welcome back to another video of Odoo Technical Development. My name is Arjun. I am working as an Odoo Technical Consultant at Apache Solutions. So in this video, we are going to see how to create a graph and pivot view. Okay. So if you see here, this is the pivot view and this is the graph view. Okay. So we are currently inside CRM module. So we are going to build or we are going to create the same view inside our visitor management module. Okay, so let's see how we can create graph view and pivot view in this module. Currently we have tree view and inside tree view we have form view. Okay, so let's go back to code and start the process. Okay, so this is our visitor management module. I will open that and I will open the models. Inside I will open the visitor.py file and here I am going to add a new field. Okay, so the code is already written here, so I will take this from here and paste it over here. So what does this code do is that it will calculate the duration of the visitor. Okay, so it will calculate the duration of the visitor. We are using a compute function here which calculates the duration of the visit. Okay, so that is this code all about. So after that we need to open our views and we need to bring in our views. Okay, so here if you can see we have the form view and we have the tree view, and now we need the graph and pivot view. Okay, so for that, before adding, I will add graph and pivot inside our action. Okay, so after that we will add the view. I have already created both. I'm taking this from here to here. Okay, so this is already done. So you can see this is the graph view, and we like any other view, we are giving the model as model ir.ui.view and the id, a specific id for the graph view. Okay, so here we have gave visitor view visitor management graph. Okay, and we gave the name as visitor.management.graph and also the model as visitor.management. Okay, so you can here see here the details. So after that we have given a string for the graph view, that is visitor analytics. Okay, and type equal to line. So we can change this to bar for right now, and I will show you what does this type affect in our front end. Okay, so after that we gave two fields here. One is person to meet, which is this field. Okay, person to meet field, and the next field is an id. This is our record ids, and we added this as a measure. Type is measure and the operator is count. So in the front end I will show you what does this all mean. Okay, and in the next view we have given similarly the id and the model, and after that the name, then the model of the our model in which we need to add the view. Okay, after that we have given the pivot tag. Inside that we have given the string. The string is visitor breakdown. Okay, or we can bring we'll rename it as visits for now. Okay, and here we have given the persons to meet as in the row and the duration which we have calculated here as our measure. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me check out some of the records or all of the records. Okay, so after checking out, you can see the checkout time has been already added here and the status has been changed to checked out. Okay, so now we can run our code and upgrade the module. Okay. Okay, let's reload. So here I have given our database name. So let's open the apps. Opening the apps, and we are taking our basic here, and yeah, here is our module visitor management. Click on upgrade, and let's wait. The upgradation has been completed. Then let's go inside the module. So now you can see we have the graph view and the pivot view right over here. Okay, so by default the view will be on list. Okay, because we have given list here for the first. Okay, so what will we do? Let's go inside the graph view. Here the graph view, we can see we are getting the bar chart as default. We have bar chart, line chart, and the pie chart. Okay, so here in the x-axis it is the name of the person to meet, and the y-axis it is the count. Okay, so here also we can see the duration. So by the duration also we can see the chart, and we can travel through different charts. This is line chart and this is pie chart. Okay, so I will do one thing. I will show you one thing. So let's change the type equal to bar to pie and reload. So by default when we click on the graph, it was previously bar chart. Okay, so I will upgrade the module and see what is it coming right now. Okay, upgraded the module, and we will open the visitor management, and let's go to the graph. So now you can see the pie has been the default. By default the pie chart is coming up when we click on the graph. Okay, so that's all about our graph view, and let's move to the pivot view. Okay, so pivot view, in here also we have the duration and both the count here. So you can either select the duration or the count. If you select both, it will both will be visible. Okay, so if you see on the count, you can see the total count as 4, and the visitors for Joseph was 2, and visitors for William was 2. Okay, so it's like a dynamic report. I will show you an example right now. Let's create a new visitor for William. Okay, William. Let's give the name as Ansi. Then purpose of visit we can give as interview for now. Then I checked it. Okay, so while checking, the time is automatically populated here. So if you go back, you can see the Ansi. Visitor name is Ansi, person to meet is William, and the status is checked in. So for now, let's check out. Go back, the status changed to checked out. So while you go back to the graph, you can see there is a increase in the count of William, because currently William has 3 visitors. Okay, likewise if you go to the pivot view, and we will select the count also, you can see the total has been changed to 5, and the count of William has been changed to 3. Okay, so and the other thing which you can see, the duration of the minutes, it's in minutes. So this is just the total minutes of visitors for Joseph is 22.35, and the total minutes for the visit for William was 20.88. Okay, and from here if you want, you can click in the numbers. It will directly go to the records, and you can see it over here. Okay, for William it is 3, and for Joseph it is 2, And if we click the total count, we can see the total number also here, or the total number of records which is in the visitor record tree view. Okay, so that's all about creating a new graph view or pivot view inside our custom module. Okay, so if you have any doubts or anything, you can contact us. The details for the contact you can see in the description. And good day to all. We will see on another video with another technical challenge. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.